winners. Hello, good ma'am. Hello, hello. Duha ka stand fan. Stand fan. And our lucky winner stand fan from Davao General Santos City is Mary Joy Sabilio. Nasa si Mary Joy Sabilio? Naan. And our last winner of stand fan from Amor Labay General Santos City, Miss Maricar Taguio. Maricar Taguio. Congratulations sa mga winners of stand fan. So, ginatawagan ako si Mama Ice. Mama Ice, naalala ko sa mong kabarkaroon ang kapalaran sa itong mga MCO. Isa kaya ako daw, God. Nanay Hulong ka air fryer. Nanay Hulong ka air fryer. Mama Ice, hindi yung kaya ni Mama Ice, kung tulad o gulong ka lang winners. And our first winner of air fryer from Barangay Tagalisay, Palomalog, South Cotabato, Ma'am May Agustin. May Agustin. Si Ma'am May from Palomalog, South Cotabato. Congratulations, ma'am. Our next winner from Mahitong Sarangani Province, Sir J. Mark Sungay. Sir J. Mark Sungay. Si Sir J. Mark from Mahitong Sarangani Province. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So wala si Sir J. Mark Sungay. Wala. Magbunan ta ulit o isa pa rin. Our next winner from Kalupang, General Santos City, Miss Richel Mongofra. Miss Richel Mongofra from Kalupang, General Santos City. Si Ma'am Richel. 10, 9, 8, Congratulations, ma'am. Our next winner from Tubig, South Cotabato, Ma'am Cecilia Tulio. Cecilia Tulio from Tubig, South Cotabato. Si Ma'am Cecilia.